In this video, we're going to take a look at the backup functionality within Flosum's Backup and Recovery solution. In order to do that, I'll click on the tile for one of my orgs so I can look at the information for that specific org. We're initially taken to our dashboard page for this specific org, where we can see details similar to what we saw on the original page, but for this org specifically. In order to do a backup, I'll click on the backup option on the left-hand menu here. The first page we'll see are all the backup jobs that have been created and the list that they've been run, so we can see whether they're full, whether we've done a comparison, or incremental backups as well. In order to take a backup, we'll click on the Create button, and we have to give our backup a name. So we'll just call this one Backup. Now we can choose between full and incremental. The only requirement for an incremental is you must have at least one completed full backup in order to choose from. To do a full, you can select to exclude binary objects and exclude big objects, or leave those on as you desire. The last thing we need to do is select our time period. Do we want this to be an immediate backup, or do we want this to be a repeatable process? If we choose repeat, we can select daily, weekly, and monthly, choose the time that we want the backup job to start, and choose the starting date that we want this to occur on. For this video, we'll just do backup now. We'll click on Create. And it tells us our backup job was created successfully. So now we can see here that we have our full backup in progress. We can see that it's in progress, and if we want, we can go in and we can view the logs for this specific backup. So we can see the accounts, we can see each of our objects, we can see the status, and we can see the running update of the calls that Flosum is making to Salesforce in order to back up your object data.